We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing medical terms and names from anatomy too. So make sure to stay tuned for this. How do you say it? Interstitial with an emphasis on the third syllable here, on the sti syllable. Interstitial Lamellae or Lamellae. There are two different correct pronunciations and different ways of pronouncing the second word, Lamellae or Lamellae. So interstitial lamellae or interstitial lamellae. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.